Hi guys, good afternoon. So, are you trying to slim down and get your body to be those bodies that you see on TV or on a magazine? Are you trying to have that thin waist, that kind of looks like a guitar, that has that shape? If you are trying to slim down and you want so badly to do it in an easier way, in a way that can help you to lose up to a lot of weight, just fat stores and make them go away for good, your worries are finally over because your dream is about to come true. I am here to talk to you guys about the Nexaslim. Nexaslim are capsules. They are veggie capsules because they are 100% natural, and they are here to help you basically lose weight, lose up to a lot of fat stores and slim down in a much faster way, in a much easier way as well. So don't go away just yet. I'm going to show you how these capsules are going to work, how they're going to help you to lose weight, and of course, I'm going to tell you where to get it from. So if you do want to purchase the Nexaslim, I already placed their official webpage in the description box of this video. You can click on this link and be redirected straight over there where you can make a safe and secure purchase, learn more about Nexaslim, and so much more, okay? So make sure you pop over to their official webpage afterwards. But guys, what's really cool about Nexaslim is that after you begin your regimen, you see BHB immediately begins to help you reach a state of ketosis, and this is going to result in increased energy and weight loss benefits. So this one BHB found in Nexaslim is a revolutionary breakthrough that has the media in a frenzy. So in just like a week or so, or depending on how you take your treatment, you can enter ketosis mode really quickly with the Nexaslim. Now, Nexaslim's formula is what we call 100% natural. This is a formula that is safe and suitable for any human being to take because it does not contain chemicals or toxins or even GMOs. So it's a formula that can help you lose up to a lot of weight really quickly, because once you enter ketosis mode with the Nexaslim, you're going to be melting down fats for energy and not carbs. So that's amazing because your new source of energy in your body is going to be your fat stores, and if you've got a lot of it, then you can expect a lot of energy. You see, with Nexaslim, with BHB, it's really great because people are having, losing up to like 1 kilo per day. So it's amazing how it works, and you can finally achieve your dream body really quickly. But what I personally find amazing is that Nexaslim, it's not going to just help you to lose weight, but it's also going to help you to maintain that weight off. And this is a formula that has no side effects, guys. So once you pictured the body you want to have, all you got to do is purchase your treatment with Nexaslim. Now, you've got to take your treatment seriously once you do receive it, okay? So make sure you use these capsules per the manufacturer suggest. Do not skip out on any days, because if maybe you have like that event coming up, maybe you have like a wedding, or maybe you're going to go on vacation and you want to have that beautiful toned down body that is slim, I think that the Nexaslim is a great solution because it can help you achieve that really fast, and it's going to make you love the way you feel. So you're going to burn fats faster than ever. All right. Now, before I forget, you do have a money back guarantee in case Nexaslim did not meet up to your needs or your standards. Request your money back by talking to customer service. But believe me, you can lose up to a lot of weight with Nexaslim. So it's about time to place an order. All right. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.